In other In other news, the government is expected to shortly announce the names of appointees to the Emergency Powers Review Tribunal. The tribunal will review all cases of detention and the restriction of citizens by the security forces under the state of public emergency in St. James. Speaking with members of the media following Friday's launch of the new sentencing guidelines for judges, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck said a few issues have to be finalized before the members of the Emergency Powers Review Tribunal are appointed.
The emergency regulations have been gazetted, but it's quite a lengthy document. It's about 35 or 36 pages, and that when it is tabled in Parliament, in it provides for the establishment of an emergency review tribunal. I suspect maybe in due time that appeal review tribunal will be put in place, certainly in a very short time.
On June 28, 2010, retired appeal court judge Justice Henderson Downer, as well as attorneys Nancy Anderson and Pamela Benka-Coker, were appointed to the Emergency Powers Review Tribunal. The three-member tribunal was established following the joint police military operations in West Kingston to apprehend Christopher Dudus Cook.